So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Notepad++ on your Windows PC. So open Google Chrome and type in the search box Notepad++, hit enter. Now open the very first link and here you can see that a list of various versions of Notepad++ available, and the latest version is 8.6.4. So we'll download this version, and here you can see that there is a green button to download. Now it is for 64-bit architecture if your processor is that, and if your processor is of 32-bit architecture you will click on this link. So mine is 64-bit, so I will click this download button. So our download is finished, so I click here to install it. So it is asking for language. English is good. Click OK. Next. I agree. Next. So it is installed. Click finish. So here it is. Notepad++ is ready. So thank you guys. Meet you in the next video.